Peppa's new neighbors. Daddy Pig is working hard. He is building a new house. The new house looks very small. Is it a house for elves and fairies? Asks Peppa. No, chuckles Daddy Pig. It's just a model. Daddy Pig shows Peppa and George a drawing of what the real house will look like. Something is missing, says Peppa. She draws a swing to go outside the house. Perfect, decides Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig takes Peppa and George to see the new house. Boom, shut, shut. Here we are, he snorts. But Daddy, says Peppa, there's nothing here. That's because the building work hasn't started yet, replies Daddy Pig. Mr. Bull is going to build the new house for Daddy Pig. Can you build it exactly like this, please? Says Daddy Pig. But bigger, adds Peppa. Mr. Bull shouts to his friends, Mr. Pig wants a house. Is it going to be built of straws? Asks Miss Rhino. Sticks, asks Mr. Labrador. Or bricks, asks Mr. Bull. Daddy Pig wants the new house to be made out of bricks. Mr. Bull gets straight to work. Can you help? Wonders Peppa. You can lay the first brick, smiles Mr. Bull. Well, Mr. Bull. Mr. Bull tells George to put a blob of mortar on the ground. Mortar is a special kind of mud that sticks bricks together. Grunt, grunt. Each brick must be laid straight and level. It takes ages. Will you finish it today? Asks Peppa. You can't build a house in a day, snorts Mr. Bull. It will be finished tomorrow. The next morning, Peppa and George go straight over to see the new house. It's finished, snorts Peppa. It's almost finished, says Daddy Pig. It just needs to be inspected. Mr. Rabbit is a building inspector. He looks carefully at the new house. Very good, he decides. But you forgot the swing. Oh no, we didn't, shouts Mr. Bull. The new house is all ready for the new neighbors to move in. Mr. Wolf and his family arrive. Mr. Wolf tries huffing and puffing, but the house doesn't fall down. It's very strong. What's the new house made of? Asks Mr. Wolf. Bricks, replies Daddy Pig, so don't even think about it. Wendy Wolf likes the new swing. Can you push me? Asks Peppa. No, grins Randy. I'll huff and puff you instead. Hee hee, ho ho. Thank you for watching. See you soon with the next story. If you want to see more Peppa Pig stories, there are lots and lots of Peppa Pig stories in the Peppa Pig collection. Go and check the video and share and subscribe my channel.